Welcome to Hustle Tech University School of Technology. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a watermark, such as a logo or a picture, on video in the free video editing software called Shotcut. Let's go. First of all, let's get the legalities out of the way. Hustle Tech University is not affiliated or sponsored by Shotcut in any way, shape, or form at the time of this video publication. Welcome to Hustle Tech University School of Technology. We're back in the building once again. My name is Jesus, CAIN, independent artist and creative designer. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials, show your boys some love, like the video, and make yourself at home. Subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a watermark, such as a logo or a picture, on your videos in the free video editing software called Shotcut. All gas, no brakes, we going in.
Hustle Tech University's how to add a watermark or logo to your video footage. The first thing you must do is to go in your video player and create two separate video tracks. I've already done that process. We have video track 1 and we have video track number 2. Up here we have a small short video clip that I selected. Shout out to Uncle Daddy's Soul Food and Adult Beverages on YouTube. Please check it out. I got a lot of delicious soul food recipes and adult beverage cocktail recipes. You want to check it out. Anyway, we're going to drag this first video clip down onto video track number 1. Okay, let me play the clip just so you get a concept of what I'm saying.
This amazing cocktail is an appetizer and a cocktail at the same damn time. Uncle Daddy's Soul Food and Adult Beverages, Bloody Mary.
Let's say that I want to add a watermark, such as a channel branding or a logo to this video. The first thing you want to do is to go up here to open file and find something that you like. I don't know if you already have something pre-described. Let's say I want to put this video thumbnail as a logo. So you're going to take your JPEG or PNG and place it in video track number 2. Now wherever you place it within that video clip is where it's going to play.
Is an appetizer and a cocktail at the same damn time.
Right now it covers up the entire screen. What you want to do is to make sure you have a red outline around your JPEG, your logo, or your channel branding icon. You want to go over here to filters, video, and you want to find size, rotation. I think it is, let's see, I think I passed it. Size, position, and rotate. Select that. Now you can go in and change the size of your logo, the placement, where it's located. So I just want to put it in the corner. Okay, so right here, down here in the player, it's going to play for a couple of seconds. Let's say that I wanted to play for majority of the video clip. This is where you expand, increase or decrease the length of the JPEG. So I want it to play for majority of the video clip. Let's check it out.
This amazing cocktail is an appetizer and a cocktail at the same time.
And there is your watermark, channel branding, or logo. It's going to slide out. And that is how you add a watermark or logo to your video footage in the free video editing software called Shotcut.
If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this Shotcut process or any other Shotcut tutorial that we produce, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality equipment for your YouTube channel? Use the link that we provide in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate you in advance. I appreciate you hanging out with Hustle Tech University until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials and you haven't already done so, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University. My name is Jesus CAIN. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video,